am I giving disaster? I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep a linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
What's going on YouTube? I'm Mototzigane. So today I got my hands on the KTM Duke 390. This is the 2018 edition. I think this is bought around 5 to 6 months ago. I've been asked from a lot of people to make a review on this motorcycle, but it's not been possible from a long time. Today is the opportunity. So I would like to thank my friend Siddharth who owns this motorcycle. He's riding my bike in front of me. Thank you for letting me have this. One is where I show you the bike through a walk around and then an exhaust note. That would be the first video. Second video would be an comprehensive review because I'm riding this bike from a long time. So we'll be making a review and there's gonna be 2 more videos, likes and dislikes. I guess that is it, and this will be a video where I'll show you how the making is done. So we have got to go to 2 locations today. Location number 1 where we'll have to find an empty road and a corner, and that's what we are going for now. And then we have got to go to location number 2 where we find a nice background and probably get some cinematic footage of the bike and the exhaust note.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep a
Look at that thing looks hot.
on repeat like it will be my favorite song.
Okay, now we are taking the first shot.
Could be moving on. Keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to end. Lost my driving and driving.
Was it too fast? Okay, this is take number 5. We've been having disturbance. And now we are heading to location 2. Location 2 is around 3 to 4 kilometers from here.
So